Introduction to My HP Support. The next generation support by HP. Today, we live in an instant-on world, a world where everything is connected, interactive, immediate, and fluid. Technology is at our fingertips, and we are connected to it every day, every hour, around the clock. HP Customer Support Portal has all HP business customer needs: diagnostic tools, product manuals, and software and drivers. But did you know that it includes 24-hour electronic support case submittal, which is all free to HP customers? So, what are you waiting for? It's time to connect. Once you log into HP Customer Support using your HP Passport login at support.com, you'll have the ability to submit a support case, follow the status of your ticket, and communicate with an HP agent, all without having to call HP. The ease of using My HP Support includes a one-time setup, individual or company account selection, the ability to log multiple cases at one time, also known as bulk upload, and some reporting capabilities. My HP Support is a web-based tool designed for managing all HP cases for HP business products. It saves you time by allowing you to submit or view your data quickly, accurately, and at your convenience. You can easily attach files related to the case that will help with troubleshooting, such as error messages, memory dumps, and log files. Submitting and viewing your cases is easy with a serial number, a valid warranty, HP extended warranty, or a support agreement. With bulk upload, an admin can upload multiple cases, entitlements, contacts, and site accounts. You can choose from a few different templates to download, fill out, then upload with all the cases that need to be addressed. Chat support can be accessed from the customer portal through the Action drop-down list by selecting Start Chat for this case. You can use this option to check on existing ADX case details and status. All you need to do is fill out the problem description. A chat will be initiated, and soon you will be connected with an HP technician. My HP Support is an excellent solution for our customers, saving you time and giving you the ability to connect with HP 24/7.